for not having a proper introduction today, but your girl is at a water park, okay? I decided to come to a water park today. It was only $3 to enter and $4 total round trip for my taxi. So that's $7 just to be able to come to this water park. It's not much, but it's something. They have like this kiddie area. They have a larger pool over there, some more stuff. A huge water slide over there, and then this water slide, which I'm not sure if it's open because I haven't seen anybody come down it yet. But yeah, I just wanted to come somewhere where there were like no tourists, just 100% local, because you know I like stuff like that. Just ordered some food, tostones con queso. And this is so good. So it's ketchup and mayonnaise, and apparently this is a really famous dish. Let's go to the water slide. So it ain't nobody that work up here. You just get out and just go. That's funny. I don't even know how deep this water is. Is this safe? Like, nobody's even over here like, okay, you go, you go, you go. Oh my God, I hope my boobs don't come out. Oh shit, here we go. Oh fuck, oh God, this is so fast. Oh my God. Oh, oh shit. Oh my God. That was fast. That was so fast. I got water in my nose. And this is the pool that they have. So I guess I'm gonna go inside there after riding this slide probably 1 or 2 more times. No safety, no nothing. This is so funny. Here we go again. Look how slow she's going. What the world? I don't want to hold on. Oh, oh God. Oh. Now I'm in the regular size pool, and yeah, people legit do not wear bathing suits. Like, I've seen maybe 2 bathing suits, but everybody has on like t-shirts and pants. Like, this is crazy. So I ended up just keeping on my cover up because I don't want to be the only one with a bathing suit, a 2-piece at that, you know? This is so cool though. The water's hella dirty, but it's fun. Yeah. I'm nervous. I sit here and wait for this water to drop. All right, I've been here for like 3 hours. My $2 taxi is outside, so I'm about to go. Bye, Luna Aqua Park. It was so fun. Now it's time to go back to the hostel. Oh my God, my taxi is outside, but this ride is working. I have to get on it before I go. Ooh, I'm kind of scared. Okay, go. They was like, girl, that was crazy. I freaking fell upside down. Oh my God. That ride was freaking insane. Not quite at the hostel. I stopped at the grocery store because tonight at my house they're doing like a bring your own barbecue type thing. So you bring your own food and then they put it on the grill for you. So I'm in the veggie section. I'm trying to figure out what I want. Definitely want some zucchini. Okay, this is interesting. You get to like use this to pick your own chicken. Nice. So now I'm in the seasoning section because I don't know what they got seasoning at the hostel. So I got everything that I needed. For now, I'm just gonna show you guys what Leon, Nicaragua looks like. And now we are back at my hostel. You guys, it is so beautiful here. I'm convinced that this is a resort and not a hostel. Look at this. It's so relaxing, right? Have a nice upstairs seating, a fountain. Here's some filtered water for us to drink, even though it's hot. A nice pool that I'm about to get in. Then there's the bar, a few extra showers and toilets. And then my room. It's only 4 beds. I have a bottom bunk. It's super hot and there's no AC, so we have fans, which works really, really good. There's an outlet right by the bed, which is perfect, and a huge ass locker. Yeah, I love it here. All right, y'all, we got chef right here. Teaching me how to grill. He's slicing up the chicken now, so that way when we marinate it, it gives it more flavors. Got the oil, some seasonings. Coating it, make sure you get all the seasonings, and very important to get under that skin. Look at that, it looks so good. When I first got here, he was like, do you have stuff to marinate your chicken? I was like, yeah, I got some seasons, I just need some oil or whatever. And he was like, okay, don't worry, because if you don't, we got some salt and pepper. I was like, sir, you don't know me? You don't know me? And then like when I was done seasoning the chicken, he was like, oh. He was like, you cook? I was like, I do. And now I'm sitting at the bar, relaxing, having me a drink. This is a mango tequila and it's so good. Before I get in that pool over there. I'm telling y'all, this is a resort. This is not a hostel. I still am just so offended because why would he ask me if I just wanted to season my chicken with salt and pepper? Oh, this shit deep. Oh, this is very deep. Okay. Oh, no, it's not. That's deep. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, my God. This is exactly what I needed. Because, baby, it's like 100 degrees here. Y'all, I'm not judging nobody. I promise you I'm not. But as I'm over there with my food and stuff, I see this couple. And they was making red pepper and banana shish kebabs. Why is you eating red pepper and bananas on a stick? And yes, they were. The food, got some for now, some for later. Everything looks good. Garlic a little burnt, but it's okay. And I got some potatoes. Don't laugh at my little square cheese. I took the potatoes out when the food was ready. But yeah, everything looks good. Chicken a little pink. I hope it's cooked. Y'all, this man trying to kill me. I need this shit back on the grill. Bro, he just took it off the grill again and it's... At this point, I don't think I can eat. Because I'm losing my appetite. Literally. I cannot eat this. All right, y'all. Third time's a charm. Let's see. If it's not cooked this time, I'm just not eating it. But it looks pretty good. Let's see. Good morning, y'all. Today has been a very shitty day. I washed my hair because I know I went to the water park yesterday and it actually made it a lot worse. So my natural hair is coming out, number one. Number two, my lock from my bag just broke. So I put the lock on my bag and then I forgot something. So I went to go use the key to open it and it's not opening, and like all my stuff is in there. So I'm very irritated because of that. And then I was supposed to go to a room tour today, but it's completely full. So at least I still have the sunset at the cathedral, but I need a shot right now. So let's go get one. Thank you. So I got this double shot of mango tequila, and it's so good. So I had to make a mad dash out of there because the cathedral closes in like 15 minutes. But that mango tequila was gross. It actually started to curdle. So I drank it. I'm like, what the fuck? And so I'm like, yeah, I can't drink this. He was like, oh no, it's like that because it's been in the refrigerator. I'm like, no, bro, try this shit. He tried it. He was like, oh yeah, I'm so sorry, and poured it down the drain. Mind you, this is the same guy that served me raw chicken last night. So I really think that he has it out for me. I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, I'm going to the cathedral right now. There goes the cathedral. Hopefully I make it in time. This is nice. A little market. All right, here's the cathedral, y'all. And it looks to be open, so let's go. That's fire. Oh my. Oh wow, very, very narrow steps. So I made it to the top. Gotta take off our shoes. There's a little briefing. Don't sit on the rail. Don't climb the ramps. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Going upstairs now to see the actual top. Oh my God. Wow.
Pero no están poniendo. No. Not too much. You're getting used to it.
Down we go. out of there. Back in the square, gonna do a little walking around. Ooh, this is gorgeous at night.
The parade inside my city, yeah. It's a parade inside my city, yeah.
And we're back. Poco a poco.